Nothing eventful on Wednesday morning. We got to ride the Mark Twain with Princess Tiana. I watched a little bit of Princess Tiana meeting guests right there on the second level where they have that stage area in the middle. But I stuck around and watched her wander around. She did pass me and acknowledge me once, and that was good enough for me. Sometimes that's all that I want. The Mark Twain was making a shadow on the water, and when I looked at that, it just made me think of a shadow of a monster is reaching out, and you don't see the actual hand, but you see the shadow of the hand. But it looked kind of creepy to me, so I had to take a shot of that. When I got on the Columbia, it was a small crowd. I think it was still early enough that people weren't getting on it yet. I went to the back. I did that the last time I visited, and I thought it was kind of fun, so I went back again. I stuck around that area all the way through the end. We were just going around that bend towards the docking area, and I suddenly started feeling something hitting my head. I had my hat on. The wind had died down. It was drooping, and the bottom section of the flag was low enough to smack me in the head. Got some apple juice and kind of joked about trying to build up my immunity for poisoned apples, I guess. Just a momentary amusement that got in my head. I wandered around to the Fantasyland area a little bit, around the castle. I switched over to California Adventure to go to Cars Land and to see Cars Land in the evening. So I went, took a couple of pictures, and then exited to the new San Francisco. It was a bit crowded, so I didn't really stick around there a lot. As before, I have issues with crowds. I wandered off to Grizzly River Run. I don't think that I had any plans. I'm not sure. I was just wandering around there and decided to wander over that bridge that overlooks the rafts that go under it, and tried to take some evening pictures of that. And I was actually really excited about how those pictures turned out because they were extra spooky looking. And went back to Disneyland and took some pictures at Main Street. I found a great spot for taking pictures of the Finding Nemo. Took a picture of the CMs preparing for the projection show that was happening soon. I think I might have left a little bit early that day. For the day.